Welcome to HHM CPAs. Let's take a walk through the halls of the restored freight depot. This historic building is home to 4 separate companies: HHM CPAs, HHM Wealth Advisors, Freight Depot Accounting, and Identify Careers, across 15 service departments and 11 niches. But it's not just all about work here. Our professionals are involved in the community. They build deep relationships with their clients and each other. Here, goals are not reached alone, but as a family.
I would say that HHM truly does have a sense of community, and that's something that is built and encouraged. It's not something that happens coincidentally. And you can definitely tell when the partners come in, they want to talk to you and talk about your day and your family. You can definitely tell that there's a sense of environment and community that comes together whenever you walk into these doors.
We're looking for a well-rounded individual who has a gift for spotting details and an ability to problem solve. We also are looking for a motivated individual that has the drive to do their best, and also somebody that loves to give back to our community.
One thing that I would want everyone to know about HHM is just how much the people and the staff, administration, partners just care about one another and care about their employees. A huge testament to that. I've just only been working here a couple months. I started in June, and then my second week of work I actually got sick. And I was terrified. I was like, I cannot call my HR manager and be like, I'm sick on my second week. But I ended up having to stay home for a couple weeks, and it was so refreshing to hear from the partners and the HR management and just staff employees that were all reaching out and texting me, making sure that I was okay. HHM actually sent me DoorDash gift cards to make sure that I was well, because I'm new to the city and I don't have very many family or friends, so it was nice to know that they were in my corner and there for me throughout that time.
HHM's company culture is an open door policy. Oftentimes, you walk around in the building and you're going to see partners' doors open, managers' offices open, as well as most staff sit in groups with other people, other peers at their same experience level, and that way they can work together to collaborate and come up with answers and solutions. So it's a very open door community is really the way that I like to think about it. Everybody's here to help each other and be as successful as we can be.
At HHM CPAs, build a brighter future together.